Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA continues to move in this sideways range here, and we're still tracking this triangle pattern. There are two wave counts I'm primarily tracking. One is the white count, which is this Elliott wave triangle. We've seen a small push to the upside yesterday and a test of the trend line, but no upside breakout. And even if we get an upside breakout, then it is not enough yet to really confirm that we are in this that we are in the next move up, really. Okay, it could just simply be an extension of the triangle as long as we stay below that 52.2 cent level. Been tracking this triangle now, I think, for a week or so, maybe even a little bit longer, and that basically always indicates sideways price action and sideways forecasting. Well, and yeah, that is precisely what happened. So we're basically looking at this ongoing sideways triangle. No change so far. Okay, so this is still moving sideways, and basically it's just confirming the wave count. It's just confirming this sideways triangle, which could technically be complete. I mean, in a triangle, I'm labeling that as a wave 4. We have 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E. It's technically possible the triangle is already completed. However, this doesn't really look right in terms of proportions, especially with this move up in the beginning, which is the A wave element of the triangle. So I prefer, if this really is a triangle, that we're only now working on the C wave element, the C wave leg or C leg of the triangle could then still get a DE. So it looks very protracted, but possible. And this triangle will only be invalidated if we get a break above the 52.2 cent level, which is the high point from the 23rd of April. So if we get a break above that level, then it would indicate that something different is going on, the triangle not so much. And then I'm following the orange count, which would be a diagonal pattern to the upside, in which the market, to confirm it further, needs to form 5 waves up to around about 64.5 cents. If we get to 64.5 cents and have formed 5 waves, then it will be confirmation that the low has formed already. Okay, so we could say, yep, it is possible that wave 2, and that would be within the orange scenario, bottomed here. That was on the 13th of April, but it just takes more evidence, because at the moment we really haven't seen any interesting price action that would confirm that, other than a corrective rally and now sideways action. That's not even a confirmation. So it's more like category hopium until we see a little bit more confirmation to the upside. And bear in mind that after 3 waves, it can always fail. It can always fail after a C wave. Okay, so I've got this as an ABC then in parallel to track it. Basically, it should be like that. Okay, so then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that needs to prove itself. Until then, because we're just moving sideways now, and we haven't even broken above the trend line, we haven't even broken above that 52.2 cent level, I remain focused on the white count until the market tells us that we're breaking initial resistance, which is this one, that 52.2 cent level, or call it 52.3. It's this swing high, and this would be an initial, let's say, upside breakout point. Okay, critical level. Until then, downside pressure remains high. Next support levels here between 36 and 38 cents. That's critical. If we make another low, this is likely where we're going to land. And there is the 61.8 retracement level at 36 cents. And then below that, the 29 cent level, which is a 78.6 retracement. Only below 29 cents, only below 29 cents, we're looking at something more bearish. Until then, all the overall bullish scenarios are sort of captured within this yellow support zone. Okay, so even if we form another low, no problem at all, but I prefer if it's just one more low and the price turns around there. Now, me preferring anything doesn't mean it will turn around there. We always have to watch for price action. Yeah, the market can do what it wants, really, but we have to be able to react to it. And at the moment, it's just moving sideways. It's ranging. So it's just something for range traders at the moment. I mean, it's very well defined. We're moving up and down between the green line and the 42 cent level. So you could actually see that as a trading range if you're trading ranges. Not everybody likes to trade ranges. Yeah, you could even say it's just this area here, with this just being an basically a fake out. So yeah, we just have to remain patient. That's at the moment just generally the situation in the crypto market. Too many people are switching off in these times, but it's actually the time to prepare because it's either where the altcoin season should start from here. If it doesn't, then it's going to fail dramatically. Yeah, that's my view. So these are always the best times to get positioned, make or break, close to a make or break point basically. So that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.